The transit police is over there, so we might not be able to get off for some reason. Your stuff, okay? I always have to stress that because someone, tall people usually.
Espérate.
You guys are Mexican city in action, man.
Yeah.
¿Cuánto es, jefe? Sorry. It's hot. 10 pesos. 10 pesos only. Grab a seat, okay? Grab a seat.
Do you have any more?
Take a seat.
This is actually a first for us. We're in a combi.
Combi.
We've never taken combis.
It's not like Six Flags, but
No,
almost.
Hay muchos gringos en este combi.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is the transit police is over there, so we might not be able to get off for some reason.
Voy para más adelante.
Did he pay his taxes?
No, mejor en la Rebel.
No te digo porque lo que está ahí.
Technically, we cannot even get off.
Es que como no hay paradas aquí.
If we should only get off if there's a bus station, a bus stop. We do it all the time, but since the police is there, this guy's not gonna do it. So, look, they're leaving, so we might be able to get off here. Let's see. Or maybe they're waiting for him, so he does it and he give us a ticket, or to him. ¿Estás seguro, jefe? Okay, all right, let's get up.
Oh, there's a first for everything, and why not in Tijuana? Tijuana.
Hello, welcome to Tijuana.
Yeah, welcome to Tijuana. That's his first time being drunk. We are in a completely different area.
This part is super cool. There's tons of like bars, restaurants. Apparently this is the area for nightlife. It's not even dark yet. Greg and I may not make it until nightlife.
Definitely a little bit more trendy.
Rugged. It sort of seems like this would be in a college town.
Ah, yeah, you're right. Definitely, you mentioned earlier, like it has Tijuana has a very Austin type feel to it.
Yeah, there's a certain grunge that comes with Austin. Places like Guadalajara.
Where we went to college, Denton.
Yeah, I like it.
Mind blown.
Yeah, we're underground in what seems like it used to be sort of like an artisanal market or sort of something that sold little like souvenirs and trinkets and things. And when Tijuana was going through rough times, they lost a lot of international tourism. It's just starting to pick back up. So a lot of those trinket souvenir shops went out of business, and they've created a super cool, trendy hipster
So this is
area.
like a very nice.
It's all sort of underground in the back of the tourist shop.
Yeah, we walked.
Super cool.
We walked through a tour shop.
It's like
and
a
then-
dive bar mall.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
Tijuana.
That's pretty good.
This little like mall or market is way cooler than we can show you. I think because I'm trying to get deep on you real quick. I think like this market or this mall represents Tijuana as a whole. Like most people are just gonna walk right past it. Nobody's thinking about it. All they see is a tourist shop on the outside. They don't think anything about it. But then once you actually go in, it's
a lot of passion.
Very artistic. I mean, it's like as we go deeper now, there's food and all sorts of stuff. It's yeah, I think this really represents Tijuana just as a hidden gem. I don't know, a hidden gem within a hidden gem within a hidden gem. That is Mexico.
It's deep.
A hidden gem. Bohemian, artsy, retro, trendy
but so cool.
A few of the words coming to mind. Lots of coffee shops, little bars. Again, I don't know. Bohemian, boho, soho, boho.
Don't know.
Stop. You can't come to Tijuana without going to a bar, right?
Right.
I got a Bohemia. What'd you get?
We've never played this before, so that's what
I'm gonna go get some craft beer here. I think craft beer is a pretty big thing. What kind did you get?
IPA. American IPA.
An American IPA. It's you didn't want the Mexican IPA?
I was looking for it. A little spicy.
And then you have an oatmeal stout. Yeah. Very nice. That's a bold choice. That's a bold choice. We need the melon.
La sandía.
We need the melon.
El gallo. El cantarito. Ready? All right. Good. Make your own lunch. We're moving.
Come on.
Give me the melon. Give me the melon. Give me the melon. Give me the melon.
El
No.
borracho. The drunk man. The drunk man. Right here.
This is Mexican as hell.
Make your own lunch. La bota. La bota right here.
Ah.
Oh, Loteria.
Oh, he got it.
Nice. Right on.
Our day of exploring Tijuana is over. Really only half a day and just a walking tour. So I know there are a lot of things we have missed and have not seen in Tijuana. We're gonna see what we can see in the short time we have tomorrow, but we have been very intrigued and very impressed by what we've seen by Tijuana. Very different than other places we've seen in Mexico.
It's very eclectic. Now Greg makes fun of me because I always say that word, but it's got like a sort of sense of grunge, but then also super modern in places.
Yes.
Like I feel like the last bar we were at was very, very contemporary and modern, and Tijuana is a really cool place.
Yes,
I'm so glad you guys voted on this.
I think people should give Tijuana a chance, and if you do, you know, this video wasn't sponsored or paid for, or we didn't even get the tour for free, but the Tijuana Walking Tour is an excellent way to get to know the city. And I mean, there's a lot of things we saw today that I don't think we would have really experienced if we just walked off on foot on our own like we normally do. So we appreciate it, Tijuana Walking Tour, and all of you for voting on this beautiful destination. And well, we'll see you tomorrow, maybe at the border.
We'll see.
Until then, have less, do more,
Be more.
be more.
Tijuana.
Tijuana. Tijuana. More. Más.
Wow.